You can use a sensor for up to 14 days, then it automatically stops. At this point, the reader will tell you it's time to replace the sensor. To take off the old sensor, pull up the adhesive's edge and slowly peel it away in one motion. To put on a new sensor, find a new site and clean it. Prepare the sensor pack and sensor applicator as instructed in applying the sensor. Apply the sensor. Make sure the sensor is secure after application. One last step. Just like before, tap Start New Sensor on the reader. Hold the reader within 4 centimeters to scan it. The sensor needs an hour of startup time. And that's how easy it is to use the Freestar Libre system.